Today I will be making fried rice. You will need green onions, some Chinese barbecued pork, and Chinese style sausage. You will also need chicken bouillon granules, dark soy sauce, and light soy. Pour both soy sauces over the rice and mix well with your hands. In a hot pan with oil, cook 3 to 4 eggs, scrambling them until they're cooked through. Once the eggs are cooked, add your barbecue pork, which should be diced pretty small, and also add your Chinese sausage, which should be sliced on the diagonal, or you can also quarter it and dice it small, but I like it in large chunks like this. Now add the rice that has been coated in the soy sauce. Note that this rice should be day-old rice, or you can also put it into a pan lined with aluminum foil and oil and laid out flat as you can, and leave to air dry for an hour or so to dry it out if you're in a hurry. Now for some added salt, sprinkle over the chicken bouillon granules and stir in until well combined. Now add in your sliced green onions. You don't want to add them in too early. You want to still have a little bit of rawness to them, and stir well to combine that as well. And that's how I make my basic easy fried rice. The hardest part about this is to not make a mess on the stove. I hope you try this and let me know if you do. Thanks for watching.